Well, we got a new package. Alright, so we got a new package, and this is actually a fun one because, man, this is gonna be exciting. This is exciting. This is actually so exciting. We got the SmallRig light. Pretty sure it was like the 130 watt light. I'll put it up on the screen and stuff like that. But I mean, let's get straight to unboxing this thing. Let's try to make some little clips out of it. So first, if you guys didn't see, this is the V-mount battery plate. So like you can make this a wireless kind of light, and you don't have to plug it in. And I have the battery already, so it's pretty convenient to have. The second thing that we're gonna open is the softbox. Bro, this is just like, opening this is kind of crazy because all I see like is this online. And so, for me to be able to get one of these things is actually so cool. I'm so stoked to like open this right now. I don't know if you can tell. You probably can. And like, look how convenient this is. Like, look how it comes with a little bag. This thing's so cool. So let's see. Let's open this up. And then, I'm guessing this is like the softbox, something to put on the softbox right here. Anyways, let's take out the actual softbox. And my C-stand doesn't come in until Sunday, which is kind of dumb, but hopefully we could just probably put this like on a tripod and get a couple clips with this thing. Holy, this thing is actually so annoying. Brother, when you don't know what you're doing, I kind of know what I'm doing, but I kind of don't know what I'm doing. And y'all gonna clown me, but like, I'm understanding this. Maybe I should have done some research, because this thing is so weird. Yeah, brother, I'm about to look up a YouTube video, bro. Hey man, it's alright. I'm definitely looking up a YouTube video on this thing. Holy shit! That looks like he's about to break it. Damn. I bet. Dude, this sounds like I'm about to break this thing. Oh. We got it. Oh. Oh. I was scared of breaking it. I was scared of like, I don't know. I was scared I was gonna like get into that or something, but hey, we got it, man. Now that we got that, it's time to open the big light. Dude, look at this carrying case. This thing is awesome. Oh my gosh, this is sick. Ooh, let's see what we got in here. Oh, actually, I like when companies give these out, like stickers. Like I can put this like on my MacBook or something. I just think, for some reason, I don't know if it's weird, but I like when I get these kind of stickers. A little strap if you want to put a little strap. So here we got the. Here we got the little thing that goes in front. If you don't want to put the softbox. I still need to get educated on this kind of stuff. I forget what this is called. But, hey man, it's alright, I'll get educated. Should I leave this in here? Oh, please remove before use. Damn! This is crazy. We got our, I'm guessing this is the plug-in. Oh wait, actually it definitely is the plug-in. So this is what's gonna go to the wall. And then, time for the light, the actual light. Voila. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. This thing looks crazy. This thing looks crazy, man. Wow. Oh, we hella can't put this on no tripod, bro. We definitely need the C-stand. I ain't gonna lie. But it's alright. We'll see. I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna make it work. Oh god, I'm gonna make it work. But should we plug this in? I think we should plug this in. Actually, let me set up this first, and we'll plug this in and play around with it a little bit. Wait, this is not a strap. I'm hella dumb. This one goes on the front. I'm so dumb. Hey, I mean, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put both of these because one, I don't really know what I'm doing. Two, I'm kind of just excited. I don't really want to look up no YouTube video. And three, could you even go wrong with doing this? Like, right? I mean, I don't feel like you can't go wrong with doing it however you want. So, isn't that what making videos are all about? Or something like that, they say. I mean, I feel like this looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I feel like this looks pretty good. Man, this thing looks sick, bro. This I'm gonna just get. Now that we have that set up, I'm gonna set up the light now. Not really knowing what I'm doing, I know what I'm kind of doing. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I guess it's just like that. So, look at this thing, bro. This thing looks kind of crazy, but I mean, let's give this thing a shot. And let's see. Oh my gosh, can you guys see? No way. You guys seen this? This thing is sick. Oh, here you go. So I'm messing with that right now. Changing it from warm to cool. Hey man, I mean, we're gonna try this out right now. So we're gonna set up the camera. Oh, I forgot that it has different modes, which is actually so cool. Paparazzi. We'll try out every mode too, but lightning, fault bulb, we got TV, breath. Oh, this one's pretty cool. Got flash, party, flame. You know what? I just realized this one's not RGB. Lame. Alright, I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna figure out how to set this up real quick, and we'll see how it looks. Well, I have it set up. Pretty risky spot, but hey, it's getting the job done, as you can tell. Nah, this light's kind of crazy now. I feel like it's still a little too still a little harsh. You think? That's because I'm right in front of it, but scoot back, and this looks pretty good. What do you guys think? But I mean, let's get into some of these videos using this light.
Isolation, she locking the bathroom door. Baby, let's get stoned. Put on a record, and I'll play you one more song.
Alright guys, well, I played around with this light for a while. I had different ideas for the little scene I wanted to make, but this one just kind of made sense in my head at the moment. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And that's the end of this video, and that is the end of the unboxing of the SmallRig light, and hopefully I get to use it a little more often. Light is always needed when making these kind of videos, so good thing I got a big light now. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.